Hello guys! Welcome to the chapter Reddit Public Access Network. In this lesson, we're going to talk about using Reddit Pan. Let's get started. As you browse through Reddit's platform, you may notice the live streaming of someone playing a video, music, or talking to the viewers inside the broadcast. The broadcast from the live stream comes from Reddit's own streaming service. That live streaming service is called Reddit Public Access Network, or RPAN. You can access the Reddit PAN when you click on this drop-down menu. Then click the Reddit Public Access Network. You will see a new window here. Depending on who broadcasts the latest, you will see the Redditor who broadcasts the live streaming here. You may notice that there's a chat window in this section, and this is where Redditors can engage while this broadcast is ongoing live. So the Redditors who are watching this live stream can ask the Redditor with some questions and they can be answered in real time. In this section, you can see the subreddit name. This current broadcast is coming from this social distancing subreddit. You can click on any subreddit communities that is shown in this list. If you click on a different subreddit, a different broadcast from that subreddit will be shown here. You may notice that an auto moderator shows a welcome message and the name of the subreddit community where this broadcast is from. As you can see, that there are tons of Redditors engaging in this broadcast. When you click these three dots, you can view the rules, visit the RPAN community, report, or hide this broadcast. In this section, you can see the live icon indicating that this is a live broadcast. On top, it shows the airtime left. You can also view the number of watchers here. You can copy the link for this broadcast and also upvote or downvote the broadcast. In the middle section, you can even view the total number of votes for this broadcast. When you browse through the different subreddit communities that are shown in this broadcast, you may view all the communities that is shown in this list. For this broadcast, these are the available communities that you can view. Artists can also broadcast a live stream of their video playing their song. There are also subreddit communities for animals here. If you love pets, you will enjoy watching live streams of Redditors showing their pets, and you may notice that each broadcast can generate more engagement and Reddit awards. There are also different interesting subreddit communities that you might encounter in this live broadcast, like Reddit Sessions, Gamer Lounge, The You Show, or Where in the World subreddits. You can also use the left and right arrows to browse the different broadcasts from different Redditors. Most of these broadcasts will show people doing a live stream talking to viewers. So in the middle of your live stream, you can do a little bit of promotion of an upcoming event, a product launch, or the products or services that your brand offers. When you click on the Visit RPAN community, you'll be redirected to the subreddit community for Reddit Public Access Network. Browse this subreddit community to understand RPAN and how Redditors use it. If you have any questions regarding RPAN, you can post it here. Broadcasting on Reddit will attract more people on Reddit to view your live stream, and you can promote your brand, your art, your music, and more people can engage inside the broadcast. Redditors can also give you awards while they appreciate your live stream, especially if it's relevant to the community. When the broadcast is about to end, it will show a message to the fellow Redditors watching the broadcast to give a reward to extend the airtime. And the airtime left is shown in red, so it can be alarming to notice that there are only a few seconds of airtime left. If the viewers want to continue watching your broadcast, there will be a Redditor who will reward you so that the live stream will continue and give you more airtime. Now that you know about using Reddit Pan, we can now proceed to the next chapter, Reddit Monetizing Strategies. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.